Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can split scenes for video clips or video projects on Adobe Express Photos. So let us guide you through this. So guys, no matter if you're working with video clips or presentations or photos, you will need to access your timeline here on Adobe Express Photos. To do that, for example, for that image here, you will need to click into these three dots, page actions, and select edit timeline. Then you will see these scenes. Let me just zoom out a bit on that timeline. And what you want to do, guys, is move the playhead anywhere you like, where you'd like to split the scene for that scene here, and then you will see that option here. Now if you don't see that option, it may be because your playhead is at 0 seconds, so you can't split the video at 0 seconds, obviously, neither at the very end of it. So move it here on your playhead, click into this button, and then your scene will be divided or split into two halves, as you can see. And that's basically it, guys. You can also right click into the given scene, select split, and you will see the same effect. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.